Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Edge is current and you're signed in so extensions sync correctly. Open the menu and pick Extensions to enter the Management page. This is where you control add-ons. Once done, toggle Developer Mode only if you plan to load unpacked extensions, otherwise use the next step. Make sure to keep sync enabled so settings follow you across devices, and proceed to the store to find compatible extensions. You now search the add-on store and evaluate options by reading reviews and checking requested permissions. That prevents unwanted access. Once you identify an extension, click Get and then Add Extension when prompted. Edge will show permission dialogues so you can accept or cancel. If you need a Chrome extension, enable Allow Extensions from other stores, then install. Make sure to pause or remove any conflicting extensions after installation to avoid performance issues. Finish by organizing extensions in Extensions Manage. Enable, disable, remove, or set site access to limit permissions. Pin the ones you use often to the toolbar for one-click access. Unpin rarely used items. If an extension misbehaves, disable others to isolate conflicts, then reinstall the troublesome extension. Once done, clear Edge cache and restart the browser if problems persist. That often resolves permission or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.